In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the leaderboard in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side area of the navigation panel and click the three dots icon that says more. This will open up more options for you, and I want you to click the top section. Because if you want to see where you rank among other traders, track top performers, or just explore the competition inside the platform, this is the option for you. Right now, my current position is unknown because I haven't been dealing any trades yet. But of course, right now, the top of the board is someone from Pakistan, a crypto expert student. And as you may notice, these are going to be the statistics. 23 trades count, 14 profitable trades, and a lot more. So you may notice that the total value of the trades this user has done is around like 12 million. Okay. Of course, if you don't see your name here, make sure you are registered in the tournament and you have placed qualifying trades. The tournaments are here, okay? Because leaderboards in Quotex are usually tied to live tournaments, not general account performance. So if there's no active tournament, you may not see a ranking list available. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to check the leaderboard in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.